Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you a way how we can reset Roomba i7 and what you can actually do. So I just found this like really good on Reddit post that what you can try. So take the Roomba off the dock, press and hold the clean button for full 20 seconds. So you're gonna take it out of the dock, then you're gonna hold the clean button for full 20 seconds, just hold that. And then when you're gonna hold it for full 20 seconds, you want to do it 3 times. Let it reboot, immediately repeat this procedure 2 more times, each time for full 20 seconds. And once the Roomba has reset, do the following. Then what you want to do is this. So what you want to do is you want to press the hold, clean and home button at the same time for like 20 seconds again. And what needs to happen is that the clean button, like the light is going to illuminate, it's going to like pop up. Then you know that the procedure was finished, right? You want to hold the spot, clean and home buttons together for full 20 seconds, allow to reboot, and then immediately repeat this procedure 2 more times, so full 3 times. This is going to be the reset for Roomba software. So this is something that you can try to do, and let me down in the comments if it's going to help you. And what will happen, the white light ring around the clean button lights up. So this is something that is going to happen. Hold the home, clean and spot button at the same time, and 3 times do that. So let me down in the comments which one of the things actually helped you solve the issue and if it's going to solve the issue for you. And thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.